Hello everyone and welcome back for one more video. It's autumn, okay? It's fall, so there are so much food that we can go and get it just for our animals. And today we are gonna get some apples, some berries, some nuts, and then we are gonna give to Missy, our Missy. If you are new, guys, welcome to the Rubini's farm. Please consider to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you so much. Okay guys, first stop for our apple trees this year. Picks, just few apples. They are wild apples. At least now, maybe, who knows, long time ago they used to belong for sure to someone, because they are very nice apple, as you can see. Okay, just let's see if we can grab some more. One more here. We are very close to the farm. Then second stop, we have this berry. They are wild berry. They are very good, bitter. There is a seed inside. I don't know the name in English. I'm eating one just to show you. It's the nuts inside. We do marmalade. You can do liquor with this berry. Let's see if she's gonna like. I think so though. We pick some. And last stop, still close to the farm, for this nice acorn that in Italian we say ghianda. And Missy loves acorn very much. They're just so nice and big. Okay, we pick some of this acorn. She's gonna have a nice breakfast. Okay, so we got some berries, some acorn and some apples. Let's go back to the farm to see if she's gonna like. I think so. Okay, I'm washing them. It rained so much last night. She's super wet. Okay. You can already hear Missy in the background. She's very hungry. Okay, let's go. So, we are not gonna give everything. Few apples, some acorn, and some berries. She's very hungry, as always. Okay, one more apple. Okay, that's what we have. Okay, let's see, guys. Apple. Maybe I should cut the apple. Yeah, next time I will cut. She likes berries. But of course, guys, this is just a snack for Missy. she's gonna need more food. She likes. Okay, just some water and mix it up. Oh, that's nice. Okay, 2 times per day. Where she sleeps, it's dry there. Yeah, it's dry and cozy. Just here is wet, but it rains so much. It's been raining for a week now, and you know, everything is super wet. Just a month ago was everything dry, and now it's too it's too wet. She's gonna be happy for a few hours. Here we are back, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. In few weeks, chestnut are gonna be ready. I can't wait. I like to eat them, and Missy likes to for sure. We are gonna go together. I show you how we pick chestnut here. And behind me, I was just noticing there is a walnut tree. This is a walnut tree, and we got some small walnuts, but I don't know. I'm not gonna give to Missy. I feel like I should open first. The shell is too hard. I don't know. What do you know anything, guys? Can I give walnuts to Missy? Let me know. For today's video is everything. See you next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.